messages transmitted at the request of the Collier County Department of Health. At around 3:01 p.m. a water main break in the area of East Naples has caused a loss in pressure in the water system, leading to possible contamination. Until this problem will be fixed, a boil water advisory is issued for the city of Naples and surrounding areas for an undetermined amount of time. Be cautious when washing children and toddlers so that no water is ingested. The water can be used for washing laundry and bathing. If your water looks brown, turn on the taps to let it run clear. Boil water to a rolling boil for approximately 1 minute before use. This concludes the use of the emergency alert system. All stations should now continue normal programming.